Hi guys, today I'm going to do a few examples of the percentage problems I presented in the introduction to percentage videos. So if you don't remember, I called these type 1 percentage problems. And what these included were questions such as this. What is, say, 18% of 50? So as you can see in this problem, there's a percentage and there's a number. And we're asked, what is this percentage of this number? So when you have this kind of situation, there is some number that you want to figure out which you don't know. And we can just, for now, call that x. And x equals 0.18 times, right, and we'll write times like that, 50. Okay, so the reason why we write 0.18 here, if you do not know how to convert between percentages and decimals, make sure to watch that video. I've made a video explaining how to go between percentages and decimals and back, so be sure to watch that. But so for this type of problem, what is 18% of 50? You simply multiply 18% by 50 to get this number, which we've for now just called x. And if you actually do the math, it is equal to 9. Okay, we can do that quickly down here. And this equals 405, and we go over 2 decimal places. So we get, it's going over 2 decimal places. So we get 9. Okay? Let's do another one. Problem 2. Let's do, what is 6% of 90? Okay? So we can call it y this time. And converting 6% to a decimal is 0.06, or if you like to write the 0.06 times 90. So whenever you're asked what is 6% of 90, you multiply 6% by 90. And if we do that on the side here, you'll get 540, and we go over 2 decimal places, and we get y equals 5.4. Okay, so 5.4 is 6% of 90. Okay, let's do one more. 3. Say, what is 113% of 90? Okay, so this is weird, right? And I wanted to throw this in here so that you get to at least see a case where something is more than 100%, and usually something like this will throw you, but you just have to apply the same method that we use for questions 1 and 2 here. So let's call this z. Z equals, let's convert 113% to a decimal, 1.13. Right? And if you're having problems converting these percentages to decimals, then be sure to watch the video I've made on converting percentages to decimals. Okay? So 1.13 times 90. And whenever you're asked to find something more than 100% of a certain number, the number you'll get as a result will be greater than this number. So 100% of 90 is 90. 100% of any number is the number. Okay? So more than 100% of 90 is going to be more than 90. And let's find out exactly how much it is. Right? So here we got 0, 7, carry the 2, 9, 11. This goes up here, 9, and 10. go over 2 decimal places, and we get z equals 101.70. So 113% of 90 is 101.7. So you see, it's greater than 90, the original number. Okay? So this was just 3 examples of the first type of percentage problem. Be sure to watch the videos on the other types, as well as how to convert between percentages and decimals. Till next time, make sure to subscribe so you get all these videos directly instead of having to search for them. And practice, practice, practice. Have a great day.